Do you speak English, Anna? Yes, a little. Are you a student? Yes, I study here. What do you study? I study English. Do you like it here? Yes, I love it. How long are you here? For 6 months. Where do you live? I live near the school. Do you live alone? No, with my friend Sarah. Are you married? No, I'm single. Do you have children? No, not yet. Can I have your number, Anna? Yes, it's 5555512334. What time is it? It's 9:30 a.m. What day is today? Today is Wednesday. What's the date? It's August 27th. What time do you wake up? I wake up at 7 a.m. Do you get up early? Yes, every day. What do you do first? I brush my teeth. Do you have breakfast? Yes, at 8 a.m. What do you eat? Toast and coffee. What time do you leave home? At 8:30 a.m. How do you go to school? I take the bus. What time do classes start? They start at 9 a.m. How many classes today? I have 4 classes. What time is lunch? Lunch is at 12:30. Where do you eat lunch? In the cafeteria. What time do you go home? At 4 p.m. What do you do at night? I study and watch TV. What time do you sleep, Anna? I sleep at 11 p.m. Do you sleep well? Yes, usually. Are you tired now? A little tired. Do you work on weekends? No, I rest. Do you have a big family, Anna? No, it's small. How many people? 4 people. Do you have brothers? Yes, 1 brother, Leo. Do you have sisters? No, no sisters. How old is your brother? Leo is 18 years old. What does your father do? He's a teacher. What about your mother? She's a nurse. Do you miss your family? Yes, very much. Do you call them? Yes, every week. Do you have friends here, Anna? Yes, a few friends. Are they students too? Yes, from different countries. What do you do together? We study and have fun. Do you go out together? Yes, on weekends. Where do you go? To restaurants and movies. Are they nice? Yes, very nice. Are you hungry, Anna? Yes, very hungry. What do you want to eat? Maybe pizza. Do you like pizza? Yes, I love it. What's your favorite food? I like pasta. Do you cook? Yes, simple things. Can you cook well? Not really, I'm learning. What did you eat today? Sandwich and salad. Do you like spicy food? No, too hot for me. Are you thirsty? Yes, I need water. Do you drink coffee? Yes, every morning. How do you like it? With milk and sugar. Do you drink tea? Sometimes green tea. Do you like fruit? Yes, especially apples. What about vegetables? I like carrots. Do you eat meat? Yes, but not much. Are you vegetarian? No, but I eat healthy. Where do you buy food? At the supermarket. Do you eat out often? No, I cook at home. What's for dinner tonight? I don't know yet. Would you like some water? Yes, please. How's the weather today? It's sunny and warm. Is it cold? No, it's nice. Is it raining? No, but cloudy. Do you need a jacket? No, it's warm enough. What's your favorite season? I love spring. Why do you like spring? Everything is green. Do you like summer? Yes, but too hot. What about winter? It's okay. I like snow. Do you like rain? Sometimes it's peaceful. Do you have an umbrella? Yes, in my bag. What's the temperature? About 20 degrees. Is it windy? A little windy. Will it rain tomorrow? I don't know. Do you check the weather? Yes, on my phone. What should I wear? Light clothes today. How do you feel, Anna? I feel good. Are you sick? No, I'm healthy. Do you have a headache? No, I'm fine. Are you tired? A little tired. Did you sleep well? Yes, very well. Do you exercise? Yes, I walk daily. Do you go to the gym? No, I prefer walking. Are you happy? Yes, very happy. Are you sad? No, I'm okay. Are you worried? No, not really. Do you feel stressed? Sometimes with exams. How do you relax? I listen to music. Do you see a doctor? Only when sick. Do you take medicine? No, I don't need any. Are you feeling better? Yes, much better. Do you like shopping, Anna? Yes, sometimes. Where do you shop? At the mall. What do you buy? Clothes and books? How much is this? It's $20. Is it expensive? A little expensive. Do you have this in blue? Yes, here it is. Can I try it on? Yes, fitting room is there. Does it fit? Yes, perfectly. Do you accept cards? Yes, all cards. Can I get a receipt? Yes, here you are. Is there a sale? Yes, 30% off. When does it end? Next week. Can I return this? Yes, within 30 days. Where do I pay? At the cashier. Thank you for your help. You're welcome. How do you get to school, Anna? I take the bus. Where's the bus stop? Around the corner. How much is the fare? $2. How long does it take? About 20 minutes. Is the bus always on time? Usually, yes. Do you have a car? No, I don't drive. Can you drive? Yes, but no car here. Do you take taxis? Sometimes, if late. How much does it cost? About $15. Is there a train station? Yes, downtown. How do you get there? By subway. Do you walk to school, Anna? No, too far. Is it safe to walk? Yes, very safe. Do you ride a bike? No, but I want to. Where can I rent one? Near the park. Where is the library? It's on Main Street. How do I get there? Go straight, then left. Is it far? No, 5 minutes. Can you show me? Yes, follow me. Where's the bathroom? Down the hall. Where's the nearest bank? Next to the post office. How do I get to downtown? Take bus number 5. Where's the hospital? On First Avenue. Is there a pharmacy near? Yes, across the street. Where can I eat? Try the cafe nearby. How do I get home? Same way you came. Can you draw a map? Sure, here you go. Is this the right way? Yes, keep going. Am I lost? No, you're close. Thank you for directions. No problem. What do you do, Anna? I'm a student. What do you study? Business and English. Is it difficult? Sometimes, yes. Do you like your classes? Yes, very much. Who's your teacher? Mr. Henderson. Is he nice? Yes, very helpful. Do you have homework? Yes, every day. How much homework? About 2 hours. When is your exam? Next Friday. Are you ready? I'm studying hard. Do you work? Yes, part-time. Where do you work? At a coffee shop. What time do you work? Evenings and weekends. Do you like it? Yes, it's good experience. How much do you earn? Enough for expenses. Is your boss nice? Yes, very understanding. Do you want a new job? Maybe after graduation. What do you want to do? Work in business. When do you graduate? Next year. Do you have plans, Anna? Yes, many ideas. What do you do for fun? I read and watch movies. What books do you read? Novels and magazines. Do you like movies? Yes, especially comedies. Where do you watch them? At home or cinema? Do you listen to music? Yes, all the time. What kind of music? Pop and rock. Do you play instruments? No, but I want to learn. Do you sing? Only in the shower. Do you dance? A little, not well. Do you play sports? Yes, tennis sometimes. Are you good at it? I'm learning. Do you watch sports? Yes, soccer on TV. Do you draw or paint? No, I'm not artistic. Do you take photos? Yes, with my phone. Do you travel? When I have money. Where do you want to go? To many places.
Do you play games, Anna?
Sometimes on my phone.
What do you do weekends?
Relax and meet friends.
Do you stay home much?
Yes, I like it quiet.
Are you bored often?
No, I always find something.
Do you have a phone?
Yes, a smartphone.
Do you use it often?
Yes, too much.
What do you use it for?
Calls, texts, internet.
Do you have a computer?
Yes, a laptop.
Do you use email?
Yes, for school.
Are you on social media?
Yes, Instagram and Facebook.
Do you post photos?
Sometimes.
Do you watch videos online?
Yes, YouTube.
Do you shop online?
Sometimes it's convenient.
Do you play online games?
No, not really.
Is Wi-Fi free here, Anna?
Yes, everywhere.
Can you help with my phone?
What's the problem?
It's not working.
Try turning it off and on.
Do you know the password?
Ask at the front desk.
Thanks for your help.
No problem.
Are you free tonight, Anna?
Yes, I'm free.
Do you want to go out?
Sure, where?
How about dinner?
That sounds good.
What time?
How about 7 p.m.?
Where should we meet?
At the restaurant.
Do you know a good place?
Yes, I know one.
What kind of food?
Italian or Chinese?
I like both.
Let's try Italian.
Should I make a reservation?
Yes, good idea.
What's your phone number?
555-9876.
I'll call you later.
Okay, sounds good.
What if it rains?
We'll eat inside.
Should I bring anything?
No, just yourself.
How will you get there?
I'll take a taxi.
Can I give you a ride?
That would be great.
I'll pick you up at 6:30.
Perfect. See you then.
Are you excited?
Yes, very excited.
It'll be fun.
I think so too.
Don't be late.
I won't, I promise.
See you tonight.
See you later.